Makadi Nemutsa. Hello, good people from all over the world. Today I'm going to be unboxing my products from La Mesa. La Mesa. It's from a shop called Nice, and today I got stemware and a dinner set. So here we are, a set of 4 very nice long stems. I like them. You're welcome to come for a mocktail, for some juice, for some water. As they say, kuanda wuya. So I'm going to leave them in the box. I love them. They're beautiful. But I'm going to leave them in the box because I'm going to take them to Zim, to my house in Zim. I always say to people, everything tastes nice in a wine glass. So try it. These ones are from La Mesa, like I said. Very nice, but very delicate. So I'll look for some bubble wrap to pack them, maybe individually or in that box, as you can see. But the box is quite steady, so you're not gonna quit. The next thing is the 47-piece dinner set from La Mesa. This one I bought because I've got 2 dinner sets, but they are not, some of the things have broken, so I really needed another one. So in this one there's 6 of each, so it's a service of 6. I might buy another one and make them 12, and I got this for 100, I would say maybe 116 pounds, I think. Now, this is something that I've been wanting to talk about, building my relationships nevanhu kumba. This here is a sugar basin. So there's a teapot here, some teacups and saucers. So I'll let you see these things when they are on the table. But I really wanted to talk about relationships, guys. Vanhu vari kumba, munhu kana wakuplana kuzodzokera. Start now. Build relationships. You've got teacups here, you've got a plate there. These are some of the things, but let's see them on the table. Start now, vaka ukama. If it's a church, when you come from the UK, America, kupi kwa uri kubva, go to your church, build relationships, make sure they know you, so that one day ukazovadedza guys, uyai kutable. This is the table that I've set. It's dark here now, guys. So this is the table. This is what it would look like. Ukadedza vanhu woseta, you can have dinner, you can have tea, drinks. So like I say, I'm going to put a video where we'll talk about relationships nevanhu vari kumba. How do you build them? You've got disappointments along the way where you trust people and they let you down, but how do you build relationships for the future? Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Please share, like, subscribe and comment. I really welcome some of your comments. I'm still a new channel, and basically this channel is for discussions rather than anything else. I know some of you want to see my face, want to see visuals. Let's all enjoy what we're gaining from this channel. If you want me to discuss a certain topic, please say that and we will do. But this was about this dinner set, and the upcoming video about relationships. Now, thank you for watching and see you soon. Thank you.